Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Let's check this one out. It's really quick. Woo! All right, so today's breakdown is only 1 8 count. However, it is so fast. I believe it's at 153 beats per minute. So we're gonna break this down. Okay, I'm gonna do a real tutorial on this one. And right here I have my student Lauren, who's helping me out. So thank you, Lauren. And also behind the camera is Maria. Here we go. So what we're doing is the first thing is called, this is the Indian step. And the way I'm doing is I'm really breaking it down for those people who've never done it before. This is a version, to me, it's a version of kickball change, but B-boys use this for Indian step. So anyways, here we go. We're gonna do it slow. Check it out. 1 and 2 and 3. So we're just doing quick 1 and 2 and 3. What I'm doing is, if you watch me, again, this is not mirrored, so I'm stepping back with my left leg. Okay, as I step back, there's a kick. Watch the 1. 1. See, right on the 1. Notice my right foot. I'm kicking. Lauren's doing a great job kicking on the 1. Now, when I'm really doing it fast, I'm not really stepping back. The reason why I'm stepping back with you, it's easier to learn this way, and then later it's easier to adjust. Okay, I'd rather you develop the rhythm than try to learn the move correctly and lose balance. Okay, so anyways, that's 1 and, watch the and, right? 1 and, so you're switching, this is the and, 2 and 3, kick on the 3. And notice there's another jump on the 3. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3. You see that 3 right there? I'm rewind it. Watch the 3 right there. I'm kicking and landing on the same time. That's my 3, okay? So let's take a look what that looks like tempo. Here we go. Right there, that's real quick. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, good. And then 3. Now, what we're gonna do is develop the other side as well. So I'm gonna start with the other leg. Okay, slow. 1 and 2 and 3. All right. See that? It's the same thing. I'm gonna pause it a few times. 1. So this time I'm stepping back with the right leg, kicking with the left. There's my 1. Okay, even though I wasn't kicking high enough, Lauren actually do a better job right here. She's kicking high so you could really see. That's my 1 and on the and, right? Switch feet. The other feet's up. 1 and 2. Stepping forward on the 2 and 3. Kicking with the right leg on the 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Let's watch this one tempo. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so basically we're practicing the right side and we're practicing the left side. Okay, so once you get that, we're gonna do this one together. We're transitioning from the right side into the left side. So watch slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, hope you guys caught that. Watch it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3. Notice the 3. This 3 is the same as the 1 on the previous drill. Okay, so this is 3 and 4 and 5. All right, so you're gonna get to it 4 and 5. All right, here we go. We're gonna do that one tempo, fast. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. All right, good. Hopefully you got that. If you don't, go ahead and rewind it. So the next part, I believe the next part, what we're gonna do is we're actually adding the twisty part. Okay, so far I'm gonna just run this one more time. My body, everything is going straight forward and back. There's no twisting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Alright? So now it's time to add the next element, which is twisting of the hip, twisting of the leg. Let's check it out. 1 and 2 and 3. Alright? So watch that 2. Watch that 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Yeah? Alright? So watch the 2 one more time, 1 and 2. Notice the 2 right now, right? See that 2 right here? I'm twisting, even though Lawrence is still doing the front version. Okay, so this is the modified version. This is, I guess, the level 2 version. You got to twist your body 2 and 3. All right, and 4. Notice my turning on the 4 again. There's the twisting. Okay, lower half is twisting. 4. Lauren's twisting just a little, but not so much where you could tell. So this is the, so you're twisting on the 2 and the 4. 4 and 5. All right, so that's what we're gonna practice. Now, if you have it, let's try it tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, and I'm gonna rewind this one just one more time. What's gonna help is if you use your arms to twist. Watch it. Here we go. 1 and 2. Notice I'm throwing my arms across my body. This helps me recover. Okay, that's the 2 and, right? 3 and 4. On the 4, I'm twisting my arms the other way. 4 and 5. All right. Okay, good. So if you have that, we're going to move forward to the next portion. This one is actually, it's a locking move. It's called Skeeter Rabbit. Okay, we're going to do it half time. Just the Skeeter Rabbit. 1 and 2 and. Just like that. 1 and 2 and. Okay, I'm breaking it down really, really slow. There are other great tutorials on how to do the Skeeter Rabbit. For now, for this portion, we're going to take a chunk of that Skeeter Rabbit right there. Okay? One more time. Half time. Skeeter Rabbit. 1 and 2 and. Okay? One thing I want to note is a lot of my students do this on the and. Watch the and. 1 and. Right there. The and. We want to put the feet down. When you start doing faster and faster, the tendency I see a majority of my students don't tap it on the end. Don't put the right leg down. You got to get it down on the end. Okay? 1 and 2. Jumping forward on the 2. Come back on the 2 and. On the end. Keeping the leg up. Okay, ready? Alright, so let's check it out. Tempo. 1 and 2 and. Right there. 1 and 2 and. Let's see that one more time. I know it's kind of quick. 1 and 2 and. Alright, just like that. Now, moving forward to the next part, this is the Scooby-Doo part. The Scooby-Doo. We're going to do Scooby-Doo. Again, this is a locking move. Okay. 1 and 2. That's simple right there. Scooby-Doo. I know there are different versions of Scooby-Doo. I've seen a lot of Japanese lockers. They kick it with it and do some arms with it. This is a really simple version of Scooby-Doo. We're just bringing up my knees. And again, this is a big shout out to Big Brother Scooby-Doo, original dancer. Not original locker, but he's an original dancer. He contributed to the locking community for this move. So thank you very much. Here we go. 1. Notice I'm kicking up 1. Okay. And sometimes I was bringing up just the knee. 1 and bring the knees up. So when you really make it funky and really make it big, that's how it should be. Okay. So that got 1 and 2 going down to 2. Notice the arms are punching as well. Okay. One more time. 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. Let's try tempo. We're gonna try tempo. Here we go. 1 and 2. Real quick. Lauren did a great job as well. I'm just checking it out. She did the arms as well. Yep. 1 and 2. You get the arms as well. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's try from the Skeeter Rabbit into the Scooby-Doo. Skeeter Rabbit into Scooby-Doo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. However, when you put it all together, it's actually started on the 5. But just this itself, I'm going to start at the 1. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so now we're going to do that part, just that part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 tempo. Alright, cool. So, we're going to put this all together, this 1-8 count together. Here we go, Lauren and I. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright. So there you go. There you have it. Alright, that was it. Now, if you really, really want to try it faster, start pitching it up. Okay, see if you can get up to the 153 beats a minute mark It's incredibly fast. I know when you first look at it, it almost seems like I sped up the film, but no, it wasn't. So if you could train it, you can actually get it to that speed. All right. So if you like it, hit that like button, smash that like button if you will. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please share it with those that can benefit from it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.